Hi everyone, I'm back to share what I'm calling word expression embellishments or word sentiments that you can use on your projects. You can add them to journals or your planners. You could use them in card making, or you could probably turn some of them into gift tags. There's lots of different options that you can use them for. So basically what I've done is on my computer I've printed out a bunch of different words and little phrases or sayings. I just went into Word and just decided on the words that I wanted to use and put them in different fonts and different sizes, and then I printed them out on scrapbooking paper and cut them into the right sizes, and then I've used them on these embellishments. So I'll show you a few of them. So here's one that's I really like. It's called She Wore Pearls. I used that sentiment and then just added some pearl embellishments on there as well. And another one I really like is this She Wore Pink Lipstick, and then it's got a lipstick tube on there, and just some scalloped edge round circle and a little flower punch out, and added rhinestone. There's different ones. This one's cute with a princess, and it's got flowers and little pink rhinestones on there. One that I really like is this saying you've probably heard about the pineapple. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, be sweet on the inside. And then I've added some little crown jewels on there and a little sparkly flower. And it's just plain on the back, so you could actually punch a hole and use this as a gift tag or something like that. It's really cute. Here's another one that I did that says dream. Yeah, it's got a little Paris Eiffel Tower in the center there with some bling. It's kind of cute. And then this one's a little bit more masculine, so it says and you rock, and that'd be good for a guy, I think, one of my sons. And then something like this little one here that says chic on it, and it's got some rhinestones and different embellishments on there. So it just gives you an idea of some things you could do. And so I think that's all I'm going to, all the talking I'm going to do right now, and I'll just go ahead and make a couple for you to see. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.